In this video, I will show you how you can fix the screen flickering problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Display. From here, you will find an option called Adaptive Brightness. You just disable the toggle for Adaptive Brightness, and from here you can adjust the brightness of the screen manually. Now after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open the quick settings, and from here just tap on the power icon. Then select restart. You just perform a restart on your phone, and after the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the quick settings, and from here just tap on the power icon. Now this time just tap and hold on the power off icon until the option for safe mode appears on the screen. Now just tap on safe mode, then just wait for a couple of seconds for your Samsung phone to boot into safe mode. Now after you enter into safe mode, then just go to the home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have noticed that after your phone entered into safe mode, the flickering issue has disappeared, so this indicates that a third-party app which you have installed on your phone is causing this problem. To fix this issue, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just delete any app which you have installed recently, and also look for any suspicious app which you don't remember installing. Now after you find that app, just tap on it and select Uninstall. Let's do that for any app which you have installed recently. Now to get out from safe mode, just open the quick settings, then tap on the power icon and select restart. Now after you get out of safe mode, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on software update. And over here just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone. After you do that, then just go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on General Management. From here, just scroll down a bit and tap on Reset. And from here, you will find an option called Reset All Settings. Now just tap on it, then tap on Reset Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN and select Continue. Then select Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your Samsung phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your Samsung phone, including the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.